today we're diving into the latest buzz around Fujifilm's rumored X-H3S. With Fujifilm's 90th anniversary right around the corner, there's huge excitement building around this new addition to the X-H lineup. Will this model be the game changer we've been waiting for in both photography and videography? Let's dig into what we know so far and the features we're really hoping to see. Fujifilm's X series has carved out a unique place in the world of mirrorless cameras, known for their retro-inspired design, rich color science, and amazing image quality. And within the X series, the X-H line has been the choice for those hybrid shooters, people who want the best of both still photography and video. The X-H2S impressed us with a 26.1 megapixel stacked X-Trans CMOS sensor, but now rumors hint at a possible 40 megapixel sensor in the upcoming X-H3S. So what's the big deal about a 40 megapixel non-stacked sensor? Well, this change could mean larger pixels, which would improve both dynamic range and low light performance. Huge advantages if you're shooting in challenging lighting conditions. If Fujifilm can pull this off, we might see even crisper 4K video with fewer issues like pixel binning or line skipping. Of course, video capabilities are a huge factor for a lot of Fujifilm fans. The X-H2S already raised the bar, but the X-H3S might go even further. Imagine being able to record 4K at 240 frames per second or Full HD at a whopping 480 frames per second. Extreme slow motion in a Fujifilm camera? That would be a dream come true for so many video creators. Another big wish from the Fujifilm community is better compression options. Many are hoping for internal 12-bit ProRes or even RAW recording, features that would bring pro-grade flexibility to APS-C users. This would allow creators to push Fujifilm's impressive color science even further in post-production, with more options for color grading and dynamic range. Now, let's talk about autofocus. It's one area where Fujifilm fans have consistently asked for improvements, especially when it comes to face and eye detection and subject tracking. For hybrid shooters capturing fast-moving subjects like sports or wildlife, a more responsive and reliable autofocus would be a game changer. And with the X-H3S, we're hoping Fujifilm takes it up a notch in tracking accuracy, even in low light. And then there's image stabilization. Fujifilm's in-body stabilization is already solid, but it would be amazing to see even more refinement here. For handheld video shooters or low-light photographers, improved stabilization can make a real difference in the quality of your shots. Let's shift gears and talk about the design. Fujifilm fans are known for their attention to detail, and many have asked for some tweaks to the button layout. For example, moving the custom dial to the right side could improve access, and having dedicated controls for both photo and video modes would be a welcome change, giving shooters quicker, more tailored options depending on their needs. It's these small changes that could make the X-H3S not just more versatile, but also more comfortable to use, especially for creators who are frequently switching between photo and video modes. And of course, we can't forget about Fujifilm's legendary color science. This is where Fujifilm truly shines, and fans are hoping for even more film simulation options in the X-H3S. Being able to apply these simulations to F-Log2 footage in post-production would open up so much creative flexibility for video shooters who love Fujifilm's look. Imagine having access to even more of Fujifilm's iconic looks with deeper control in editing. For those of us who want that nostalgic film aesthetic, this would be a serious advantage. Finally, let's talk about two big questions. When will we see the X-H3S, and how much will it cost? Rumors are pointing towards an early 2025 release, right around Fujifilm's 90th anniversary. It seems like the perfect occasion for Fujifilm to drop a major update, and who knows, they might even surprise us with some game-changing features. As for pricing, the X-H2S did push the limits a bit for an APS-C camera, so we're all curious to see if the X-H3S will be positioned more competitively or packed with enough features to really stand up to full-frame rivals. So, will the X-H3S live up to the hype? It's hard to say for sure, but Fujifilm has a history of listening to their community and delivering on user requests. Whether it's improved autofocus, better stabilization, or those sought-after high frame rates, this camera has the potential to set a new standard in the APS-C world, and maybe even give full-frame models a run for their money. Until we have more official information, let's keep our expectations realistic, but our excitement high. Let me know in the comments what feature you're most looking forward to, or if there's something on your personal wish list that we didn't mention. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for all the latest Fujifilm news and camera gear updates. We'll keep you posted as we get closer to the big reveal.